Hello, this is our vertical double-sided labeling machine. At first, we have to install the label roll. So the operation is same as for both the front side and the back side. And I will send you the video about the steps to install and make the labels go through from the beginning to the end. When the label goes here, and we have to lose these two black knobs and remember to rotate them in the clockwise direction. And after the labels go through the back sides, and remember to lock them. And at the end, there is the rubber plate, and remember to make it press the label tightly by rotating this black knob, and the same as for the backside operation. Then we have to make sure there is the extended length as for the labels compared with this edge and this edge. Let's say the front side labels. You can say here. In this view, you can see the extended length distance. We have to make sure it's between 1 millimeter to 2 millimeter, and for the back side, the same distance from 1 millimeter to 2 millimeter. So how to adjust this distance, this extended distance, and you can check the distance by our screen and the menu. Find the menu screen and try to label by hand by this second peel or label by this button, and then you can see if the distance is between 1 to 2 millimeter. And how should we do if the distance is too long or too short? We can adjust this plate by loosening or tightening this and this knob. If you want to make the extended length longer, then move it right. And if you want the extended length shorter, then turn it left. This. Then we need to adjust the height and the width of the guide rail. These four are adjust the width, and these four are adjust the height of the guide rail. And when we make the you can fix this side of the guide rail, then adjust this side, and when we feel the bottle is tight, can't move, and then loose it a little, and loose it a little, then lock the knobs. And following, you can see there are two wheels. It is a bottle divider wheel, and they are to separate two bottles to keep a distance. And you can adjust their walking speed to make the distance between the two bottles. And let me tell you the controller, the speed controller is here. There are two wheels, so these two controller, they are the wheels walking speed controller. You can adjust their speed. And if you want the two bottles near, then you can adjust the speed faster. Then let's go make the bottle go through. And this part is the bottle guide machine. Its function to make the bottle in upright and the correct and in the middle position. And there are two clamps. You have to make the clamps clamp the bottle tightly by rotating this knob. And to make sure the bottle is clamped tightly, but not too tight. Then we need to adjust the top press. And just now we make the bottle in a correct position. Then we have to adjust the top press, and by rotating this knob to make sure the following labeling process is good. And the function of the top press is to prevent the bottles from swaying. So let's see how to make it correct. And you can adjust it, and so that until your hand can't shake the bottle. Then the bottles will go here. This is the stripping plate to peel off the labels and stick the labels for the bottle. And this is the electric sensor. When the sensor detected the bottle coming, and the machine will start to stick a label for the bottle. And this is its display, the sensor's display. And when the sensor detects the bottle coming, the red light will become, the number will become smaller, and then will smaller than this green. Then the machine will start to stick the label. I can make my finger here. You can see that red light. The number is very small, then the machine will start to label. Then when you want to let the labels stick at the right side, then you can move this to the left side. And when you want to make the label on the bottle in the left side, then you can move it in the right side, so they are converse. And when you want the labels in the upper position, then you can knob you can rotate this knob, and when you make the labels in down lower position, then you can also adjust it by rotating this knob. So by adjusting this sensor's position to control the right and the left position as for the labels, and by adjusting the rotating this knob to adjust the upper or lower position as for the labels position. Sometimes the labels was stacked in a slanted way. It is not in the upright way. Then we can adjust this knob. When the bottle go here and was prepared to be stacked, so we have to make sure this stripping plate and the surface of the bottle are in parallel. And when this stripping plate is not in parallel to this bottle surface, and we have to adjust its position by this knob to make sure they are in parallel.